Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you want to build a stronger chest, shoulders, and triceps, the dumbbell bench press is a must-have in your routine. But to get the best results, you need to do it right. Today, I'm going to walk you through the perfect dumbbell bench press technique so you can maximize your gains. The dumbbell bench press is a great exercise that not only builds strength, but also improves stability and balance by engaging more muscle fibers than a regular barbell bench press. Now let's go ahead and start with the setup. First, grab a pair of dumbbells that are challenging but allow you to maintain good form. Sit on the edge of a flat bench with the dumbbells resting high on your thighs. Then lie back on the bench while bringing the dumbbells to your chest. Make sure your feet are flat on the ground, your back is slightly arched, and your shoulders are retracted. This will help you maintain stability and protect your shoulders. Now, what you want to do is you want to kick the dumbbells up to your chest, like I'm going to show you in this video. Okay, that's key. All right, do not pull it up to your chest. Kick the dumbbells up to your chest. That way, help it make it easier for you in order to start dumbbell bench pressing. Now, the matter of depth is up to you. Some people go lower than their chest. Some people have the dumbbells resting on their chest. That's personal preference. Obviously, the more deeper you go, the more stretch you get. Now let's talk about the hand and arm positioning. Hold the dumbbells with a neutral grip, palms facing each other, or a pronated grip, palms facing your feet. Your elbows should be about 45-degree angle from your body, not flared out too wide or tucked in too close. This position allows you to press the dumbbell more efficiently and effectively, reducing the wrist or shoulder strain. Now, as far as the press go, from the starting position, push the dumbbells up while keeping your elbows slightly bent at the top to protect your joints. Make sure you're pressing a controlled manner. Do not let the dumbbells drift too far backwards or forward. Squeeze your chest muscles at the top of the movement before slowly lowering the dumbbells back down to the starting position. Breathing plays a huge role on your performance. Inhale as you lower the dumbbells, filling your lungs with air to create stability in your chest and core. Exhale as you push the dumbbells up. Fully engage your chest and triceps. Remember, control is key. Do not rush the rep. Now, a few things to not do is to flare your elbows out. Do not flare your elbows out. This will lead to shoulder injury. I've had 2 rotator cuff surgeries. Trust me, this hurts like crap. Second, do not put the dumbbells in too close, or do not push the dumbbells in too close. This is a different exercise, guys. This is okay if you just want to work the triceps. This is all triceps right here. All right. This also works the chest to a certain degree. However, it's not efficient the way you think it is. All right. That's a totally different exercise. And another common mistake is not keeping your feet on the ground. Keep your feet on the ground. Next up, we have excessive back arching. Stop arching your back so excessively. You will not have a stable core if you are excessively arching your lower back and lead to back injuries in the long run. Now, once you've mastered the basic dumbbell bench press, you can start to add some variations to keep things more interesting. And for example, try the incline dumbbell bench press because this targets more of your upper chest, or the decline version targets more of your lower chest. Using these 3 variations means that you can have a more well-rounded and well-developed chest. And that's it. That's how you perform the perfect dumbbell bench press. By focusing on proper form and control, you'll build a strong, balanced upper body in no time. If you found this video to be helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more fitness content, and hit the icon so you don't miss any of my videos. See you to the next one.